Fishbone diagram analyzes time management issues from four key perspectives: machine, materials, methods, and men. Starting with the machine aspect, many students do not have fully utilized digital tools such as reminders, calendars, or task management applications. Without these tools, students struggle to prioritize tasks, track deadlines, and plan their daily activity effectively, which often results in missed or delayed work. Under the material aspect, the problem lies in the lack of proper study materials and poorly organized notes. When notes are scattered or incomplete, students spend unnecessary time searching for information or redoing work, making the study process inefficient and time-consuming. For the method aspect, students often do not follow a structured daily or weekly schedule. Poor task planning and the habit of underestimating the time required for assignment lead to last-minute rushing and increased stress, further worsening time management. Lastly, the main aspect focuses on personal behavior and attitudes. Poor self-discipline, procrastination, and frequent distraction from social media reduce focus and productivity, causing students to delay tasks even when sufficient time is available. The reflection of the fishbone diagram is this fishbone diagram allows me to clearly identify the cause of time management issue from multiple perspectives. By breaking the problem down into machine, materials, methods, and men, it becomes easier to understand how each aspect contributes to the issue. This, this structural approach helps me see that time management problems are not caused by a single factor, but by the interaction of tools, resources, planning methods, and personal behavior. As a result, the fishbone diagram provides a clearer and more systematic understanding of why the problem occurs. Thank you.